because we've got 3 PR packages from Brown Sugar Babe that we need to get through. So this is going to be a 3-part video because I'm not going to put all of it in one. Here is the Brown Sugar Babe Elle Vee Collection. It is inspired by Louis Vuitton. Yeah, Elle Vee, but this is spelled L-V-E-E. So this is the box. How stinking cute is it? Is it not giving designer? I'm definitely keeping this box. This is just too cute. I could hear that the bottles did move around because I did move, so I know they're all over the place, but let's get into the Elle Vee Collection. There are 4 body oils in this collection. I can't get over the box. It's just so pretty. Let me get into what it consists of. Here is a little envelope, just like you would get if you were buying designer. All right, so here it is. And these are the name of the 4. We've got Perfect, Melody, Basque, Fantasy, and Entrapment. Elle Vee by Brown Sugar Babe. And it is, everyone has the right to define what matters to them, including luxury. Ooh, the definition of luxury. Traditionally seen as comfort or opulence, its meaning varies for each person. For me, luxury is working from home, starting my day freely, while others, it may involve prestigious office environments. Both interpretations are valid. Our Elle Vee collection draws inspiration from iconic fragrances designed to bring luxurious scents into your everyday life. In body care, fragrance, and fashion, luxury is personal. It's about feelings, not about a specific look or price. I hope you all enjoy your own definitions of luxury in meaningful spaces. Love, Makita. Love that, okay? Luxury is not about the price tag, it's about what makes you feel luxurious. So let's get into the Elle Vee collection. It's always super hard to truly test out body oils without like putting it all the way on. I don't have the time to put it all the way on, so I am just gonna do a first impressions sniff test. So let's get into Elle Vee. So the first one we're gonna sniff is called Entrapment. And I think this is inspired, I'm gonna put the names of what it's inspired by, but if I'm not mistaken, it's probably inspired by Entrapé Rev from Elle Vee. But here is Entrapment. We're just gonna do a sniff test. If I really love it, I'm gonna put it on my skin, but I have so many fragrances already on because it is the end of the day. Very warm, fresh. This is definitely daytime. This is something you wear anywhere you want, honestly. This is really nice. I think this reminds me of like an everyday clean fresh fragrance, but with the luxury scent on top of it. I like this, and I know I'm going to like wearing this. It's so fresh and luxury. Like that, I'm gonna give that one a cute little 8 out of 10. Next, we're gonna try Basque. Ooh, what is Basque gonna give? Can only imagine. Here is Basque, just a sniff test, unless it's worth putting on. Ooh. Oh yes. That, it's definitely giving me bubble bath. It's giving me warm silk. I like that. 8 out of 10. That's very silky smooth type. All right, next is Fantasy. I'm trying to wrap this up, but I'm still gonna make some content. Ooh, very sweet. Ooh, that's the sweet one. It's giving marshmallow, body butter. Like, yeah, that's very nice. Very pretty. That's another 8 out of 10. All right, which one is gonna be my favorite in this collection? All right, the last one is called Perfect Melody. I love the name, so I hope I love the fragrance the best. Perfect Melody. It's so hard because, you know, it's oil. You gotta really put it on the skin to love it, but I really can't. It's not gonna be fair because I already have something on today. Soft vanilla. Ooh, I think this is my favorite one. Is it? Oh, this one's very, very soft. All of them are like soft. This one is like soft, creamy, vanilla, mixed with a little cashmere. I don't know. I don't know the notes because I literally just opened it, but the collection is so, so cute. Overall, this collection gets a 9 out of 10. No, the vibe of the collection gets a 10 out of 10. But I feel like all of them are 8 out of 10 just upon sniff. Now I have to actually wear them, but I can't do it right now because honestly, I already have Moolah on from this morning and I still smell like Moolah, so it wouldn't be fair to put it on top of it because the scent is just gonna change. But that is the Elle Vee collection. If I had to choose, honestly, any of them smell really, really good. But the ones I really love are Basque and Perfect Melody so far, just upon sniffing, okay? Again, this is not a wear test video. This is a sniff test video, and upon sniffing, they seem to smell the best. But honestly, they all smell really good. So it's really, really hard. Just get all 4 of them, y'all. See you guys in the next one when we unbox the next PR package.